Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to demystify everyday banking tools. We are going on a journey, right from traditional paper methods all the way to modern digital wallets.
So, let's dive right in. We're drawing our foundations straight from IGNOU's comprehensive materials on banking facilities. You can kind of think of this as a look at the essential plumbing of our financial world.
What's really interesting here is how technology hasn't just updated banking, it's completely reformulated the entire payment landscape. And that massive shift, well, that's the absolute core theme of our discussion today.
Here is our roadmap for This Explainer. We'll look at the types of bank accounts, compare passbooks to checkbooks, review essential banking forms, types of online banking, and modern payment methods.
Section 1. Types of bank accounts. Let's see where your money actually lives.
Okay, so we've got 4 foundational accounts here. Savings accounts pay you roughly 4 to 6% interest, while current accounts, those are mostly for businesses, offer unlimited transactions but 0 interest. Then you've got recurring deposits for your fixed monthly savings, and fixed deposits if you want to lock away a long-term lump sum. Each one literally serves a distinct strategic purpose for your money.
Section 2. Passbook versus checkbook.
So the absolutely crucial point here is the difference in function. A passbook tracks your money. It's actually a brilliant concept dating back to the 18th century that finally gave customers control of their financial history. A checkbook, on the other hand, actually moves your money. It acts as a bill of exchange. And, heads up, defaulting on a check comes with serious legal consequences.
Section 3. Essential banking forms.
Because banks are so heavily regulated, you need specific physical forms to communicate with them. You'd use a deposit slip to add funds and a withdrawal slip, which, interestingly enough, is strictly for savings accounts, to take cash out. There are also standard account opening forms, banknotes, and the trusty check, which is super safe to mail, highly traceable, and honestly makes budgeting a whole lot easier.
Seeing all these paper slips really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Our source material poses a fascinating question. Do you think physical forms will survive the digital age, or are they going to lose their relevance entirely? It's definitely something to chew on as we transition to our next topic.
Section 4. Types of online banking. This is where pixels start replacing paper. Internet banking fundamentally shifted our entire toolkit. All of a sudden, you had the power to move funds between accounts globally and check interest rates right from your computer, completely bypassing the physical branch. It was a real game changer. Building right on top of that, mobile banking took those exact same incredible services and put them straight into the palm of your hand. You didn't even need a desktop anymore. Your smartphone basically became your own personal 24/7 bank branch.
Meanwhile, ATMs absolutely revolutionized our access to cash. They act as an electronic outlet that totally eliminates the need for those physical withdrawal slips we talked about earlier. It's kind of the ultimate hybrid tool, right? Dispensing physical paper cash through a highly secure digital network.
And then we have the mobile wallet, taking things a step further. By securely storing your encoded payment card information right on your device, they let you make instant, hassle-free tap-and-pay purchases.
Section 5. Modern payment methods. Notice the stark contrast here between the old world and the new. Traditionally, a check or an Indian postal order might take up to 7 working days just to clear. Now, modern online payments slash that processing time significantly. They use encoded, secure formats, letting you use a single digital wallet for global instant purchases.
But moving money online isn't magic. It actually follows a very simple, verifiable procedure that essentially recreates the safety of a physical bank teller. You link the 2 accounts, provide the external info, confirm everything, and then set up the transfer. It is safe, structured, and entirely under your control.
So, as we wrap up this explainer on the Ultimate Banking Toolkit, I want to leave you with this terminal question from the source material to really ponder. Do you think physical forms will lose their relevance in the coming time? Why or why not? Will paper vanish entirely, or will we always need that physical backup? Thank you so much for joining me to explore this incredibly important evolution of our daily tools. Keep questioning and keep learning.